Sweet, so this is your chest supported upper back machine row. We're demoing on this machine, but anything in your gym that has a chest support and that has a wide arm path suits your upper back. The main thing we want to be focusing on here is retraction of your shoulder blade, and what that is essentially, if I was to place a playing card right here, Joel would try and pinch it with his shoulder blades and hold it there. That's the maximum contraction we want out of it, and then when Joel goes forward, he actually lets his shoulder blades roll forward, so we're lengthening out the back. To set up, we want to finish in the perfect spot for the upper back, which is around about here, just slightly down from parallel. So set the seat up so that when you're in there and the machine is back, you land there. So his body, it's like there's a pole through his torso, and his shoulder blades and arms are just going around it, forwards and backwards.